Welcome to the Researcher YouTube channel. My name is Jorge, and in this video I will show you how to add CAD files to your Modelica models. I ran into this post in Stack Overflow about the multibody animations. Not long ago, the animations were kind of broken in Open Modelica. However, in the latest version 1.21, this has been fixed. To show you how to add your CAD files to your models, I have created this little model with two pendulums. The first one is very easy. It's just a couple of fixed translations, a revolute, and a body. The other one is a revolute with a fixed translation and a body. However, this body has attached one of these fixed shapes that you can find under visualizers in the multibody library. To define your file in the component, you need to do it like this. Notice how the double quotes are needed, and you need to start this way. Be careful when defining the path to your file. The next thing is to scale the shape, length, width, and height. However, be careful and change this extra parameter to 1, so these values are taken. Otherwise, the values from the CAD are computed directly. This depends on what you want to do. Now, I do have to add a little comment here. Once you add your CAD shape, to obtain a proper behavior of it, you need to add your inertias here. You need to modify the Inertia Tensor. Otherwise, for example, for this case, you will get the values of a sphere. For this example, I have modified this body, and you can see that with everything, all the parameters being the same, by changing this parameter, we will obtain a different behavior. The CAD file, it's only for visualization. The behavior is the same for both of them as a pendulum. However, they don't have the same inertia tensors. So, as you can see, the pendulums behave in different ways. So this is something you need to consider when you want to obtain proper physical properties. This little CAD shape I have obtained from the NASA 3D models for 3D printing. In this case, you can see it's the Hubble Space Telescope. You can download the files here and use one of them for your visualization. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in future videos.